We're going to take a look at Google Earth, and I'm going to show you some of the earthquake activity that's been happening around the Inland Empire, Southern California area, between Ridgecrest, California, and Death Valley. So it's about a 50-mile radius, 40-mile radius, I guess, northeast of us. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in here to the Ridgecrest area. And we'll take a look. You'll start to see yellow and orange dots. Those are earthquakes in just the past 7 days in this area. And what we're going to take a look at here is the Ridgecrest area. Ridgecrest is right here. China Lake Naval Weapons Station. You see just a few dots around, but if we go about 40 miles northeast, here's Trona, where the earthquake was on the 11th. That was about a 2.6. But if you look over here closer to Death Valley, look at this. I would guess there's about 40 or 50 of them here, and you'll see that a 4.0 on the 13th, 3.4 on the 12th, 3.2 on the 14th. These are in the last 7 days, and the orange ones are in the last day, so last 24 hours. So the 15th of December, 2.3, 2.3 again, 2.1, 2.0, all along this area. So I'm hoping we're not setting up for the big one, but that's what it looks like out here in Southern California. Plus, we're supposed to get snow. So I don't know. This is California, but it doesn't seem like it right now. Okay, bye.